All right, everybody, it's Beane. We are back. We are on video number 8 of our 10-part series and our 30 for 30 financial challenge. What does that mean? We're going to help 30 families over the next 30 days start their journey to financial freedom. Using what? Well, the things they just don't teach you in schools, called the rules of the wealthy. Now, in this segment, we're going to continue with these solutions, right? Segments 1 through 7, we talked about problems, challenges, how to overcome them. But now we're in our solution section. And so far, we've talked about how to create positive cash flow, the difference between negative and positive, the importance of staying positive, how to become positive, why banks made $5 billion off Americans who have a negative cash flow. That will no longer be you after our 30 for 30 financial challenge. Now, today we're going to talk about what? Business income. You see, business income is important to help you meet your second financial objective. Now, here's why. In this country, all we do is use letters and numbers called tax codes. It sounds boring, but once you understand it, it's really simple. America runs this economy using tax codes. You see, letters and numbers to try to confuse you. W-2, W-4, 1099, 501c3, 401k, Schedule C, Schedule A. See, all these are just letters and numbers to try to confuse you. It's really simple. There's one thing you need to have in your portfolio, and that is some type of 1099 income. Why? Because a 1099 says, tax me last and I get to pay myself first. Legally, ethically, and morally, a 1099 says, I want to keep my cash flow positive all year during the year, and I'll give the government what's left after I take care of who? Me. Here's the question I got for you guys. If you work for the money all week, all month, all year, shouldn't you get paid first? Why do most Americans settle for the tax code called a W-2, which says, take the taxes off the top and then pay me on the bottom? You have to start earning some 1099 income. Now, Brian, I don't have a 1099. How do I get one? Well, you're looking at it. Part of our 30 for 30 financial challenge is we're going to show you guys how $34.95 for our membership can earn you 1099 income. Not only do you learn the rules of the wealthy, not only does it pays for the software to help you implement the rules of the wealthy, it gives you the system, the support, and everything you need for $34.95 a month. $1.17 a day, and you can now earn 1099 income so you can pay who first? Yourself. So think about it. There's nothing wrong with a job, which is a W-2. But I just believe that more things should get paid every month than just your bills. People say all the time, I get paid Friday. I say, no, that's not true. Your bills will get paid Friday. Most people never, ever get paid even though they did all the work. The way to do it is to change yourself from a 10 or a W-2 tax code, legally, ethically, and morally, to a 1099 tax code. And we'll show you guys how to do that in our 30 for 30 challenge and make more money and get more education and strategize because of the knowledge that they just don't teach you in schools.